Yes, I. Here I go once again. Welcome to Rawfully Wholeness in I Yacht. Today is my beach day. Yes, I. And I'm having a blast. Yes, I. Oh man, the water is so gorgeous. It's wonderful. Straight up. I mean, come on, I gotta give it. Jamaican beach is really good. I really heard about it, that it's a nice beach in Jamaica, but I really give you this straight up. It's like hearing it and prove it for yourself. Yeah. Yes, I. Oh my God, right now I'm looking at some little teeny fishes, like juju fish. Yes. In this rock stone. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of it and show you how it is. Yes, I'm having so much fun. It's unbelievable. Yes, there you go. I'm gonna jump right into the video. So like it, give me a thumbs up, please hit subscribe. Yes, there is where it is coming from. Yes, properly here. Time has come where freedom is our birthright. Yes, we gotta enjoy life fully. Enjoy nature, beautiful sea, the river, animals. Yes, and the plants. So we are going to a class time for those who are tuning in with I and Rawfully Wholeness. Yes, I. So here we go. Yes, I.
My daddy went up his ear.
What?
Daddy went up his ear.
Okay. You know, right around here, I think right around here, there is a lot of small, look, I think of small fishes.
Small fishes?
Small. You want to see them? Look, yeah. Like juju fish. Look at them. No, I'm not pushing you in the water. Look at it over there.
Oh my goodness! I'm gonna go get a bucket.
She need a bucket.
No, you can't catch him. You're not going to catch him.
She need a bucket. She want to catch the fishes. Yeah, some nice little small chuchu fish. Yes, Here we go. It's just a plane just landing going somewhere. Here we go. I don't know. The beach have a lot of almond trees on top of it. What are you doing? I singer. It's shadow. I think is scared. I'm gonna go show you guys where the fishes is. Just enjoy looking at them and see if there is like more fishes around here. Basically, there was so much fishes. Oh, look at them. Look at them, look at them, look at them, look at them. Oh man, it's so much here. I'm just running them away. Yeah, just floating in the water. Ooh, nice. Gorgeous Jamaica. Yes, the sun is like perfect right now. Yes. And I'm feeling really, really blessed to be in the sun shine of Jamaica. So here we go. Now for the wholeness, the time has come where we gotta enjoy ourselves. We gotta be in tune with Mother Nature. Okay? Man are killing animals and the rainforest, and we have to come outside and enjoy what Mother Nature have given us. Yes, this is 2021. Yes, that's the number. Okay, we went under the water. Yeah, so we gotta enjoy life to the full, you know, in tune with life. You know, we're talking about eating right. Yes, the 7 days vegan challenge. Yes, done away, put away all the pork and the flesh eaters aside, because Genesis 1 give us and 29 give us the Genesis 1 and 29 give us the gateway back to Eden. So planting our food and our vegetables, farming is the way to go. 2021. Yes, 2020 was a wake-up call for all of us. We got to learn from that. So much things happened to us that they put us on a lock and key. I would say quarantine, and only Jah knows His people, the chosen one. Yes, I, rightfully wholeness. The time has come for us to know ourselves, be ourselves. What?
Please, I want to float in the water.
Okay. No, you can't wet up in here. Now we have a aluminum foil container. You want to catch the fish?
Please? Yeah.
Alright, so Izinga and I going to catch some fish. So I'll talk to you in the next video. Jah Rastafari.
Yeah.